So we start off today's video with this really chic pixie bob style. I love the color that she has here. Ginger mixed with blonde. And this one does have a nice little shaggy texture to it as well. And then we move into a big chop transformation. Oh! So she got kind of like that 90s pixie look here. I was thinking at first that she was going to be getting a bob, but yeah, definitely much shorter of a cut than that. So here we have someone with very long waistline hair. Oh, wow. I love the texture of this bob cut. So chic. Absolutely gorgeous. So he did end up flat ironing the hair, but I really liked how it looked with her natural texture. Really pretty. So next up we have a color change. Oh, so this is another play on that contrasting hair color trend. So cute. I love how this color looks with the red lip too. And then we move into another color transformation. So she kind of has a pixie here as well. And she spices things up with this beautiful reddish brown shade. This is such a gorgeous color. And for the styling, he is doing more of like that shaggy pixie look as well. I love this color combination with the pixie style. It's just such a modern and trendy hair look. Her hair looks so nice and volumized with this cut as well. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.